What is up, you guys? Welcome to the fourth tutorial of programming in C. And in this tutorial, we finally do something productive. In the previous tutorials, we have just been printing out stuff like hello world, or we have been printing out values of variables. That was boring. So in this tutorial, we finally take inputs from users and we do something with it. So in order to do that, first let's declare a variable called int and followed by the name of the variable. We can name it anything, but I choose to name it num, and it is integer type. So let's print a statement saying a user to enter a number, and we bring the compiler to the new line, enter. So to actually get the input, we have this awesome function called scanf. We use it like printf, and it has its own double quotes, and inside this double quotes we have to mention what type of input are we going to take. If we are going to take int, of course we have to type %d as seen in the previous tutorials, and then we come out of the quotes and comma, and we have to mention the name of the variable in which we want to store the value inputted by the user. So here we type num, and there is one thing, while using scanf you have to use the ampersand before the name of the variable. This pretty much means that it will store the value in the address of this variable. Now when you declare a variable, an address is created. It tells the compiler where it is stored in the PC. So this value is stored in the address of this variable. Don't worry about this, we will be talking about this in pointer section in detail, so don't really worry about this now. And on the next line, let's print out the value. We type the value of num is %d, and %d is going to be num again, because we will take the input and we will print out the same num again. So let's run this and see what happens. Enter a number, so I'll enter 4. I'll hit enter. The value of num is 4. So what happened is, first it printed out enter a number, it went on a new line, and here the scanf worked. I entered the number, I hit enter, and then the next printf line statement came, saying the value of the num is %d 4, because we have entered the number 4. So this is pretty much it. There are more awesome ways of using scanf and to do the things with user entered numbers. We will be seeing it later on in the later tutorials, but for now, thanks for watching and we meet in the next video.